Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make jackfruit biryani. Let us see how to make.
First add oil into the pressure cooker. Once the oil is heated, add 1 spoon of ghee into it, and once it is heated, add all the whole masala items into it. I'm adding the cashews also. This is soft. Stir it well. Now add the mint leaves to it. Stir it well. Now I have added onions and green chilies also and sauteed, and now I have added ginger garlic paste to it and sauteed it. Now this is the main ingredient, which is the jackfruit. Now I have added turmeric and red chili powder and stirred it well. Once it is stirred, I have soaked the rice, 3 cups of rice in a bowl with water, and I'm adding that to it. And then I'm going to add 6.5 cups of water, and we need to check the salt, and I'm adding little bit more. I have forgotten the pepper powder, so I have added it again. And now the biryani is ready after 2 whistles. It's ready to be served. This tastes really good. You people will enjoy this.
Biryani is ready, and see this. This is my jackfruit biryani. I'm going to taste it. This came superbly. It's very tasty. Please try in your homes and enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye bye.